Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. In this video, let us talk about the next module, which is about sorry about this. There is some technical difficulty. We have technical difficulty. Okay, we're back and we're going to talk W2 classification warning signs. So in the previous module, previous video, we have the horizontal alignment sign. Now we have intersection and junction signs to W2. So what do we mean by this? These are signs in the intersection and junctions that are used where the sight distance on the approach to an intersection or junction is less than the safe stopping distance. So we also know what do we mean by stopping distance, or where drivers may have difficulty in appreciating the presence or configuration of an intersection shown ahead. Okay. However, there may be an unusual situations where a special design will be required to describe the intersection configuration more accurately. Such design must comply with the general standard of warning sign series. Okay. So technical term, again, we frequently use the word sight distance, and now we have safe stopping distance. Okay, so these are the design parameters in the road or a highway design. Okay? Signs in this series shall not be used in approach where the regulatory signs stop, give way, or traffic signals are installed. Priority signs stop and give way. Okay, so think of it, R1, that's 1, and R1, that's 2. Those are priority signs, regulatory signs. Now, so what about this type of signs? Okay, so that we can use in intersection and junctions. So there are how many? 6, 8, 10. So different 10 different types. Okay, so there are 10 different types of W2 intersection and junction signs. So we have crossroad, staggered side, road junction, skewed intersection, okay, T junction, Y junction, side road junction. So take note of the stopping sight distance. Okay? Take note of the stopping sight distance, because that mostly depends on why we are using this sign. Okay? Side road junction, roundabout ahead. Okay, so roundabout. So there is what? Cul-de-sac. Okay, and priority junction, priority merging, priority cross. Okay, so these are the types of signs. So let us familiarize ourselves with each of them. So this is crossroad. There is a cross. This is not the red cross, because the cross is black. Okay, and boundary is the red one with the white background. So this is a crossroad. crossroad sign is used in advance in an intersection where two roads cross at a common point. Okay, this sign shall not be used on a side road approach to a controlled intersection. Okay, meaning if that intersection is controlled by an equipment, for example, traffic light, there's no need for this sign. Or controlled by human highway patrol, making signal, controlling the flow of traffic. So what is important here is the control. So if there is some sense of control using human being, using controller, using equipment, using devices, okay, using signaling devices, so there's no need for this sign. Okay, so next is type W2-2 and W2-3. These crossroad signs are used in advance of intersections that bear the resemblance of the configuration as indicated in the inscriptions of the sign. Okay, so it is not crossing, but nearly. It is nearly a crossing. Okay, it is nearly a crossing in W2-2, and it's a different type of crossing in W2-3 because the crossing is not in any way near to a perpendicular shape. Okay, so we need the cross sign if the crossing is somewhere near the shape of a perpendicular. Okay, and next are W2-4, W2-5, and W2-6. What are those? T and Y junctions. Okay, T and Y junctions. So as you can see on the figure, okay, T junction, Y junction, another Y, another T. Okay, these are in the point of view of the driver. So in the point of view of the driver, we are going to a dead end, but actually not a dead end, but there are two ways to proceed, left and right. On the next one, we cannot see a dead end. We see option of left and right. Here, we see a straight line, but also have a branch. Okay, so a branch road that we can slightly turn to. Okay, and here we have a sharp turn while seeing a straight road. So depends on the perspective of the driver. Okay, so where the junction road meets the road at an angle greater than 45 degrees, a side road sign is more appropriate. Okay, so side road sign is this one, side road sign. If the angle is greater than 45 degrees, okay, meaning this angle from this to this line, the degree is more than 45. So side road. Okay, and there is a side road. This is side road, but here you can ignore it actually, but we are putting up a sign because this side road has a fairly large volume traffic entering or crossing. So that is the difference. Okay? This is just a side road. You are the priority because you are on the straight line. But since the traffic here is so much, so we have to take note of it. Okay. And the next is W2, the 7, which is roundabout sign or rotonda. Okay, rotonda. Okay, the roundabout sign is used on all approaches to a rotonda. It should not be used where diagrammatic advanced direction sign is used on the approach. So just decide if there's already an advanced direction sign, G1 is fine, which we will discuss in the later module. So no need to use this. This is for information of the driver that there is a rotonda ahead. Okay? And then next one are the set for what? Priority road. W2-8, W2-9, and W2-10. So what are those? We have priority road sign, which means, okay, self-explanatory. We have a roadside here that would merge traffic here. No? Also here, no? The arrow as a direction going straight up. Okay, going straight up. Okay, so side road near perpendicular, side road greater than 45 degrees, and side road on both sides. No, okay. These signs inform the motorist that the road he travels on is a priority road with a junction intersection in front of him being controlled either by a stop or give way sign. Okay, so road ahead would have what? A controlled junction with stop sign and give way sign. So you are in the priority road, but you are not having a priority sign. Priority signs are stop and give way sign. Okay, and that's it for the W2 type of signs. So there are 10 of them. Okay, so as we can summarize the 10 here. Okay, we have crossroad, staggered side, road junction, skewed intersection. Okay, and then T junction, Y junction, side road junction, roundabout, priority junction, priority merging, and priority cross. Okay, so you are in the priority. Okay, so in this three, but there is a much higher priority, which is what? Stop sign and give way sign. Okay, so this ends our current video. Again, this is Dr. EYPEI, Preaching Engineering for Nation Building.